Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to make salted tuna roe. So I've bought this tuna roe in Dumaguete market and it cost me about 200 peso per kilo. This big chunk of tuna roe is about 800 grams, so it's slightly less than 200 peso.
Balik 100. Balik 100.
Can you take big one?
Look how beautiful it is. Okay, so at home you need to open it with knife. Unfortunately, knife is not very sharp, so it's a little bit not easy, but it's not my knife, so I just use whatever I can find there. Then you can use spoon to remove all the fish eggs or tuna eggs from this shell. And then do not throw away this shell. You can use it for further cooking. You can fry it or make the tempura or do any other interesting thing, but it's very tasty. When it's cooked, it's absolutely delicious. Okay, so remove the tuna eggs with spoon, for example, and be ready to salt them. Don't afraid to use some force. These tuna eggs are very small, very tiny, and you cannot destroy them easily. So just quickly rub them off from the shell, and there is no connective tissue between them, so it's very easy to separate them. That's it. Now put all the tuna eggs into a small bowl and add salt from ratio about 3.5% of salt to a kilo of tuna eggs. So it is standard sea salt, which is the salt is only available in the Philippines everywhere. So I use sea salt, add about 3.5%, which is 35 grams per kilo of eggs. Mix it quite well, so you need to mix it very well, and then leave in the fridge for marinating overnight. After night of marinating, I prefer to wash it a little bit with water. I would like to wash off all the juice from it because it's not very interesting and it's too salty usually. And eggs are salted as perfect as they should be. So now it's not tuna eggs and this is tuna roe now. So when you add water, just mix it well and remove the water with a fine mesh. Scoop it out and use spoon to remove the water because the sieve is because this mesh is very fine, so the water will not go by itself easily. So you need to either shake it a lot, either use spoon to just scrub it. But don't worry, tuna roe is quite tough and will not be destroyed by the spoon. So just use spoon to remove all the water. You see, it will be dry out very quickly. So when the tuna roe is dried, add a little bit of tasteless and flavorless oil, like canola oil or something similar. And it's ready to eat, but it's better to keep for 1 day to mature it a little bit. Don't forget to mix oil as well. And it will prevent it from drying out. That's it. Now, for example, we've got hard-boiled eggs, a little bit of buttered bread, and we put this tuna roe on top, and it's absolutely delicious. The taste is approximately similar to salted cod roe. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and wait for new interesting stories from Philippines and England about cooking, food, and everything else. Thank you. Bye.